Yeah, Chris Mary, good morning. The number of allegations against the Supreme Court nominee went up to 5 overnight. The original came from Christine Blasey Ford 11 days ago. Since, 2 more women have come forward, and senators have received 2 additional anonymous complaints. In all 5 cases, Judge Kavanaugh has denied the allegations. During an 80-minute press conference, President Trump saying he wants to hear today's testimony from accuser Christine Blasey Ford and nominee Brett Kavanaugh before making any decisions about his nominee's future.
I can always be convinced. I have to hear it.
There is a situation, there is a scenario under which you would withdraw Brett Kavanaugh's nomination.
If I thought he was guilty of something like this, yeah, sure.
The 21 senators on the Senate Judiciary Committee get 5 minutes each to question Ford and another 5 for Kavanaugh. But they plan to cede most of their time to Arizona prosecutor Rachel Mitchell, hired to be the face of the Republican Party during the hearing when she questions both Ford and Kavanaugh. Democrats will ask their own questions.
I'd like to see Dr. Ford treated as if she were my daughter, but I'd like to see Judge Kavanaugh treated as if he were my son.
In testimony released ahead of the hearing, Ford says, quote, "I believed he was going to rape me. I tried to yell for help. When I did, Brett put his hand over my mouth to stop me from screaming," end quote. Ford revealed her identity 11 days ago in an interview with The Washington Post. She had anonymously sent a letter to the Senate committee earlier this summer listing her allegations against the judge.
I was never at any such party.
In his prepared remarks, Kavanaugh says, quote, "I never did anything remotely resembling what Dr. Ford describes," end quote. Kavanaugh's also denied all allegations put forward by other women. In a sworn statement, 55-year-old Julie Swetnick alleges that in high school, Kavanaugh would drink excessively and engage in abusive and physically aggressive behavior towards girls.
He has never met this woman. He doesn't know Ms. Swetnick. He didn't go to parties with her. And I've received calls myself from women and men who went to high school with him. No one knows this woman.
Kavanaugh says the allegation is from the Twilight Zone and it never happened. Of the 5 people who have made allegations, only Christine Blasey Ford will testify at today's hearing. However, the committee may ask Kavanaugh about the other allegations that have surfaced. The hearings begin at 10 this morning. Ford will go first and has asked that Kavanaugh not be in the room. The Supreme Court nominee will go second. Chris?
All right, Clark, thank you.